Alright guys, the last one I want to do a video on is number 4 from the solving quadratics section. The reason I want to touch upon this one is because you're not really using the quadratic formula and you're not actually using completing the square. You're just kind of using some of the skills that also go along with using those other two strategies. You've just got an equation here and you got to solve for x, so you're just using your algebra skills. The first thing I'm going to do is just draw my river, is what I call it. It's the line to divide our equal sign. And we're going to just start trying to get that x by itself. First thing I'm going to do is add 4 to both sides. Then I'm going to have 2 times x plus 2 on this side squared equals 32. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to want to divide by 2 to get rid of that 2 on the outside of our x plus 2 squared. That's going to leave me over here with x plus 2 squared equals 16. Now this is the part where it's very similar to completing the square, because you'll see this exact setup when you complete the square. It's almost as if somebody has already gone through the whole process of completing the square and gotten you to this point. Now you just got to finish the job. So take the square root of both sides. You're going to get x plus 2 on this side. Be very careful with this side, because the square root of 16 could be 4. It also could be negative 4, so we have to account for that possibility. Then you're just going to subtract 2 from both sides, and you're left with all of your possibilities for the solutions to this question, which are either negative 2 plus 4 or negative 2 minus 4. You just have to indicate that you recognize that there could be 2 possibilities. If we're adding, we're going to be left with a 2, and if we're subtracting, we're left with negative 6. So the answer to this question is that the solutions are x equals either negative 6 or 2. Simple as that.